That's the way I look. But I got a gift today. I got a package today. I got a gift from a cousin slash friend that just came in the mail today. We're going to say bye-bye to this little Android ZTE and say hello to this pretty little one. An iPhone 6S Plus, 64 gig. It is certified refurbished. I got it off of eBay. So, who knows how this is going to go, but we'll see. So we're going to see how this phone actually looks. There's a couple of scratches on it. I don't know if you can see it. So I've been told that, making sure I don't see, for the most part, I don't see any dents or anything. So I just see a couple little scratches here and there, but for the most part, looks grade A. So we gotta see how to get this SIM slot out so I can put my SIM card in it. Go try safety pin. Only thing, this phone doesn't come with the headphones, and it comes with a charger, but I don't think it's a standard. It's not a standard Apple charger, which is fine with me, because for those that don't know, I used to work for Apple, so I kind of know how those chargers work. See if you can, ooh, I'm going to take this off the back. Okay, so let me, because it doesn't have the SIM in it. So let me, I'll be back as soon as I get this off and get this in my phone. On it. So I'm here setting it up. Hi Siri. Hi Siri. Hi Siri. Hi Siri. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, it's me. Okay, sorry. So far so good, it's working fine. Like I said, there was a couple of scratches, but I really barely see them. I can't believe it. And I just popped out my SIM card out of this phone, popped it in this one, and it says Cricket up at the top. So it works perfectly fine. So I gotta move over all my contacts and download all the apps that I had on this phone. And yeah, we'll go from there. So I'm excited. Brand new iPhone 6s Plus, and it's supposed to be 64 gigs. So yep, it's 64 gigs. So I'll give you guys an update on how it goes. And yeah, so thumbs up this video. Shout out to my cousin, or cousin slash friend, family member. Um, she watches, but she don't want me. I'm not gonna put her name out there. But I am about to go play with my new phone. Stay tuned on Instagram though for some pics and stuff, cause y'all, your cousin will be posting. But I love you guys. Pretty game out. Bye.